Welcome back to Trending Topics. I'm Paris Payton. One of the founding members of the hip-hop group Amigos is in a Florida hospital. A representative for Offset says someone shot the rapper in Hollywood, Florida on Monday. TMZ reported he was shot near the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. The 34-year-old Offset, whose real name is Kahari Cephas, is reportedly in stable condition. The circumstances surrounding the shooter are under investigation. The Seminole Police Department says officers have detained 2 people, one of them being rapper Lil Tay, who has been arrested and charged in connection with the Monday night shooting. Offset's career took off within the past decade. He was part of a trio of rappers including Quavo and Takeoff. Takeoff was shot and killed in Houston in 2022. Grammy-winning pop rock singer Olivia Rodrigo is releasing a new album this summer. Fans had been guessing the title for months, with her last 2 albums, Sour and Guts, followed the same 4-lettered, one-word style. Therefore, so many expected that trend to continue. Guesses included Love after teaser mural in LA and even Golf, based on a cryptic photo posted earlier this year. But that theory didn't last long. Last Thursday, Rodrigo revealed her 3rd album, and let's just say it's not 4 letters. In fact, the title is 10 words long. It's called You Seem Pretty Sad for a Girl So in Love. Rodrigo says this project challenged her to write from a more joyful place. The album is set to drop June 12th. Organizers have canceled this year's Wireless Festival in London during controversy surrounding headliner Kanye West. The saga began when news broke Monday that Pepsi and Diageo pulled their sponsorship from the Wireless Festival. That came after West was announced as the headlining act for the massive 3-day event scheduled for July. The problem is the rapper has a years-long history of making an anti-Semitic and other offensive remarks. On Tuesday, West issued a statement saying he wants to bring unity, peace, and love through his music to London. He asked to sit down with members of Britain's Jewish community. Then, British officers reportedly banned him from entering the UK. Now it seems the event organizers pulled the plug on the entire thing. West previously apologized for his past comments in a full-page ad in the Wall Street Journal he took out in January. He also said last year that his diagnosis of bipolar disorder was incorrect and that he is actually autistic. That's all for Trending Topics. I'll see you here next week.